But really, you want to create a little bit of a wedge like this. So you want a wedge like that. I used to butter the brick, then put it in, but you can end up with stain marks on here, so it's better to butter this. Better to butter. You want to fill them holes in. Fill them holes in, then you're going to reverse the wedge on here, like this. From back to front. Okay, so you're mirroring that wedge. Just helps pack it in better. They're travelling a bit too much for knot. Couple of... That's not bad. Probably need to just pack that up a little bit. Okay, so once we've got that at the top. I'm going to end up with a little bit of staining, but it's very difficult to get it perfect. So looking for that in line with that and that in line with this. Body not tilting back. Okay, that's good. Now what we'll do, joint it up.
Joint.
Get your jointer. This mortar's a little bit wet. Oh. Make sure that's full. And this is full, do your perps or whatever first. A little bit wet because it's raining, but never mind. You want to try and pack that in as best you can. Get that finger pointer in. Help pack that in a bit. Try and clean up as best we can. Just tuck them in, neats and everything off. It's drying. Top and tail end. And there we go. Alright. And that's how you replace one brick in a wall. When it dries, it'll be okay. There we go. That's fine.